Welcome to Shockwave Updates. Today we have brought top 10 world and celebrity psychics. In the mystic nation states wherein the earthly plane meets the spiritual, there are people whose talents shine brighter than others. These top 10 psychics have not best captivated the hearts of celebrities, however additionally supplied steering to human beings worldwide. Here are their stories and the impactful work they have got carried out. Sylvia Starling. Work, known globally for her extraordinary ability to foresee political occasion, Sylvia Starling has provided vital insights to political leaders and diplomats. Her predictions have guided countries through elections, economic crises, and major political shifts. She often seems on predominant news channels to percentage her insights and has been instrumental in advising governments on international relations. Alexander Moon. Work. Alexander Moon's expertise for connecting with the spirit world has added comfort to many grieving people, mainly celebrities. He has conducted excessive profile seances and private readings that have provided closure and peace. Alexander is often invited to unique activities wherein he enables individuals reconnect with their misplaced cherished ones, imparting them solace and expertise. Celeste Luna. Work. Celeste Luna's predictions about herbal screw-ups have verified to be lifestyle saving. Her warnings approximately earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods have caused well-timed evacuations and arrangements, mitigating the effect of these failures. She works carefully with disaster control teams and often appears on TV shows and podcasts to percentage her visions, supporting groups stay prepared. Isabella Rose. Work. In the glitzy global of Hollywood, Isabella Rose is the psychic to the celebrities. She presents steerage on career selections, courting issues, and personal demanding situations, supporting celebrities navigate the complexities of repute. Isabella's predictions about award season consequences and enterprise trends are tremendously regarded, making her a trusted guide in the leisure enterprise. Gabriel Storm. Work. Gabriel Storm's potential to our expecting market developments and financial shifts has made him a respected discerner in the financial global. He advises business magnates and financial leaders on strategic selections, assisting them live in advance of the curve. His correct forecasts have led to a hit enterprise ventures and investments, incomes him a popularity as a financial oracle. Mystic Aurora. Work. Focusing on health and well-being, Mystic Aurora's predictions about clinical breakthroughs and private fitness troubles have garnered international following. She collaborates with clinical researchers and holistic practitioners, providing insights that cause revolutionary treatments and well-being strategies. Aurora's private steerage has helped many individuals acquire better health and properly being. Leo Phoenix. Work. Leo Phoenix is well known for his predictions approximately technological innovations. His accurate forecasts about improvements in AI, space exploration, and other tech fields have made him a relied on voice amongst tech lovers and professionals. Leo advises tech businesses on destiny developments, supporting them innovate and stay beforehand in an unexpectedly evolving enterprise. Stella Sky. Work. Stella Esquivai's insights into climate change and environmental issues are rather respected. She collaborates with scientists and environmental activists, using her predictions to elevate consciousness and self-sustainability. Stella's forecasts approximately environmental shifts have helped communities put together and adapt, making her a key discerner inside the fight towards weather trade. Orion Light. Work. In the sector of sports activities, Orion Light is the psychic every person listens to. His predictions approximately main sporting activities and athlete performances are eagerly predicted via lovers and professionals alike. Orion's insights have prompted sport techniques and education regimens, contributing to the achievement of many athletes and teams. Luna Sapphire. Work. Luna Sapphire is famed for her work with relationships and love. Her ability to predict the results of private relationships has made her a beloved determine among those in search of romantic steerage. Celebrities frequently turn to her for advice on their love lives, trusting her compassionate and accurate readings. Luna's paintings has helped many discover love and harmony in their relationships. These top 10 psychics combination their unique abilities with a deep connection to the religious global, offering steerage and perception to those who are looking for their information. Their predictions have shaped lives, careers, and even international locations, proving that the unseen world has a profound effect on our truth. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel.